Hi. In previous video I shown how we can dockerize a node application, but actually we don't did a CRUD operation like we don't add any data and store in database. We don't did like that. So now I can show you how we can dockerize a node application and connecting the database also. I will show you. But actually today I gonna build a to-do application and I can add a to do and delete the to do and storing in DB also. We are using node.js and also mongodb for this demo. First I will initialize, I will set up the application first. After I will explain how we can dockerize node application and mongodb, and we use a tool that is called docker compose. It helps us to manage multiple containers and connecting them. So okay, I will go to the demo and build a node application to do. Depends are downloading. Actually we are not using React or Angular or some HTML files, or not we are using for rendering the UI. We are using EJS for to render the UI. So EJS is a template engine, we can render our UI. Okay, we will take two folders, one for views where our templates are located, one for model where our db model will be located, okay, one for routes. Okay, I will initialize index.js and also header dot ejs. Actually it is ejs. Okay, why it is not saving. Okay, we are using Bootstrap. It is a CSS framework. This is CDN. We can integrate our CSS. Include header. We will take our inputs to read the content from the user. So I'm taking an input field, type text, name to do, to after that I am taking a button input, actually type submit, value add to do. Okay, after that everything is okay here. Okay, views, header is okay. Okay, we'll take bootstrap header, bootstrap components, navbar, use sample navbar. Okay, okay, first we will render this, how the UI will looking. We can see actually this is wrong. Header, header dot EJS, it will be like that. Okay, we will take a div, move inside the div. After that we will create our routers to render the application. Here, so in here I am taking single file router.js, where our all routes will be located. Okay, next we will set up routers, router.get, actually we can response render, we can render the index file. Okay, try to run this application. Okay, app is listening. Okay, getting an error because we didn't export this router. router. Okay, next we'll use this router app.use slash acquire where our routers located. This is the file. Okay, now actually I'm using node.mon for it will automatically restart our server when we are saving any file, so I'm gonna use it. Node.mon server. Okay, yeah, it is running. Unexpected while compiling EJS. Where the issue will be? Yeah, this is the issue. Actually, the file location we are giving, but of course it will leave like that also. Maybe I will check that. Getting error. Actually, it is a include only. Why it is not rendering? Everything is okay. Our file getting issue. Why I'm getting issue? Just a minute. Set up our template engine, everything. Oh, okay. Yes. Okay. App.use express URL encoded. Extend to reference error. We'll get back after solving this issue. Wait, sorry, actually the error is not mentioned the parentheses, this quotes. Yeah, now it is okay. Yes, now it is okay. Getting an error. Why header is not defined? Okay. Restart server. Yeah, okay, fine. Next we are gonna build a model. To do dot model dot js const mongoose equal to mongoose const to do equal to mongoose dot schema to do type string. Okay, should dot export. Oh my, start to model. Slash to do. Okay, our model is ready. We use here. Actually, we are not set up our DB also. Wait a minute. I'm using shortcut to set up the DB. You can also use. Okay, my to do. This is our DB, and we are getting duplication warning. If you want to clear that out, you can just copy and paste this here. Yeah, our duplication warning is also gone. DB also connected successfully. Okay, now we will go over 1 minute. Okay, we call our model here to do models to. Okay, this is our get router, and also we pass our data to do's. Okay, and also post router. The same router. Okay, okay. Now we will set up. We will concentrate on UI. Okay, this is our form data which we are gonna take a user input. Okay, placeholder. Enter to do. Okay, now we will make some CSS. Bootstrap class container mt5. Okay, and we also give some CSS to this class form control. For button, class button primary, secondary, Okay, yeah, fine. For post, yeah, okay. And also now we will check that. Yeah, okay. Fine. Okay, when I am entering any input, I want to read that and send to backend. So our router is to do's, right? This is our post router. Here we can read our data. So console to do's, to do's. Okay, everything is okay. Duplication warning. Defined today is not defined. Why? We are getting an error. To do. Okay. Everything is okay, right? It is showing undefined today is not defined. Actually, it is to do because here the name is to do, right? Actually, it is director. Yeah, now we can see hey. We'll stop that. I will fix that. Why we are and reading again, looping. We will stop that here. Yeah. Yes, redirect slash after posting to do. We can render them here. Well, class. Okay. This is just for testing to read our data means we will use to do's. on router we are sending data. Okay, getting an error, right? Why we are getting error? To do. Okay, data, sorry, don't use this. Unexpected token. See, actually this is right, but yeah, we are saying two haze. Actually, right? Yeah, our data is storing db. Okay, good. Now we are gonna delete this, add a button to delete this here. For that I will use anchor tag. href tools slash remove. We are gonna read id of our app, our to-do, to-dos dot underscore id. Make some css, float right side, and text danger. Yeah, here it is. Okay, now we will set up our router to delete this, and we can do like add and delete the to-dos. So for that we will take another router dot. Actually for front end side we don't need to give for delete like this. Actually we can use delete, but this is the JS. For I'm not slightly concentrating on doing this to do app. I'm gonna tell you how we can render UI, and also to do CRUD operations like adding, deleting, updating, like that. But actually for dockerizing I'm gonna teach you dockerizing node and connecting with database, like that, multiple containers and connecting between them. So here to do slash remove underscore id. Okay, we are getting an id in the params to dot remove. Yeah, okay, yeah, good. My to do. Yeah, our application is successfully built. Okay, Now I will completely concentrate on how we can dockerize both. So yesterday I shown you how we can use docker file to dockerize this node application. Run npm install copy expose port. Okay, our docker file is completed. Actually we also create another file that is called docker compose.yml file. We are seriously concentrate on this because the indentation is important while creating the uh, compose ml file, docker compose ml file. So actually the compose version is 3 we are using. Services, which are services means those containers we are using, we call services in here. Use one tab to maintain the indentation. To do our container name is to do. After we are gonna build our app, so where our docker file is located here. So after that ports we are gonna export 3001. Okay, next we are gonna mention our database also. Mongo is our name of our container. Image will be mongo. Actually we can name whatever we like, but actually this is important. In future I will tell you why it is important. So for naming convention I will use my mongo also. It will help with the differentiation between both of them. After that we are gonna link this links to my mongo. Yeah, for connecting to database we are using localhost, but after containerizing we don't use localhost, we use my mongo here. So I will show you why my mongo later. Wait a minute, our charging is low. I will connect and come again. Okay, docker compose helps us to combine the multiple containers and we can run at a time. Okay, to check that, sudo docker compose up for making our containers to run. Okay, it will automatically create a network between them and This is the name of service we can use to connect mongodb. Yeah, mongodb done, node application done, db is running. Yes, some failure. Okay, we will see that why we are getting this. Everything is okay. Name Mongo, links to Mongo, indentation is okay, build okay, service okay. Why we are getting this is also okay. Yeah, yeah, now it is connected. Yes, our application is also running. Yeah, okay, good. We can delete one also. I will show you that. See our containers. Yeah, our container is running. Excite d5. Here in mongodb we can see our database. Use my to do db dot todos dot find. See our hey message here, hello. You can also see that hello. If we remove both they are removed. We are not connecting local database, we are connecting container. So if we want to kill that, control C. If we want to make our compose down, it will be down. Here you can see the network will be automatically generated. So here you wanna know one thing. When we are using local host, means our database is connecting local database while installing in PC. But in containers we don't use local host. It means it is separate environment. The containers are different. They run individually. So we don't make local host and nothing works like that. So we use that service name is nothing but a container name we use like that. The default port is 27017 for mongodb. We can change also. Okay, I got you that it will help you to make a connection between node and mongodb in docker. This is the main file. docker compose file which maintain the connectivity between the two containers. Okay, we can also use image name, but we are gonna build that node application locally, so we are use like that also. Okay, thank you.